Music and drama at USW. It is a really creative and exciting space to be. Cardiff is a real creative hub with lots of independent music venues, lots of really great spaces where students are making fringe-based theatre works. It really is a melting pot for creatives. There's a really strong network of collaborators and also independent venues as well where students are producing work. We have a great relationship with the Sherman Theatre, which is based in Cardiff. We have a fantastic relationship with the Riverfront Theatre in Newport. It's a really beautiful venue. There's theatre productions that happen there, but it's also a dance venue. It's also a film venue, so students get to make work there. We also have a really great relationship with Bardwell Studios. We have students from the course working on shows like Netflix Sex Education, His Dark Materials, and we also have a really great relationship with Screen Alliance Wales, which is kind of an umbrella company for a huge amount of creative partners that we have here in Cardiff. USW is really a space to express yourself, but also to find out what kind of contribution that you want to make to the world.